In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product bundles in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a buy X, get Y style bundle that automatically applies at checkout, making it easy to encourage larger orders and reward your customers with a discount. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. From your main admin dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Discounts. This is where all of your discount codes and automatic promotions are managed. In the Discounts section, click on the button that says Create Discount. Shopify will show you a few different types of discounts you can create. For bundles, we're going to choose the option called Buy X, Get Y. This lets you say, for example, buy 2 of this product and get 1 of that product at a discount. Next, choose Automatic Discount. This is important because it means your customers don't have to remember a code. As soon as their cart meets the conditions you set, the bundle discount will apply on its own. Give your discount a clear title. This is for your internal reference and can also show up at checkout. So something like buy 2 get 1 bundle or skincare bundle offer works well. Make it descriptive enough that you'll recognize it later. Now, scroll to the section called Customer Buys. Here you define what the customer needs to purchase to qualify. Choose minimum quantity, then set the quantity you want, such as 2 or 3. Under Any Items From, decide whether this applies to specific products or to entire collections. Click Add Products, then select the product or products that should count toward this requirement. Next is the Customer Gets section. This is where you decide what the customer receives once they've met the conditions. Again, choose minimum quantity and set the number of items they'll get, like 1 free item. Under Any Items From, choose whether they get specific products or products from certain collections and click Add Products to select what they'll receive. Under At a Discounted Value, choose how you want to reward your customers. You can give a percentage off, a fixed amount off each item, or make the item completely free. Pick the option that fits your bundle strategy and your margins. If you want to control how powerful the bundle can be in a single order, you can set a maximum number of uses per order. This prevents customers from stacking the same bundle discount too many times in one purchase. Next, look at eligibility. Here, you can decide whether this bundle is available to all customers, only specific customer segments, or only individual customers. Segments are useful if you want to run bundles just for VIPs, subscribers, or wholesale accounts. Scroll down to Combinations. This determines whether your bundle discount can combine with other discounts, like product discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts. Think about how generous you want your overall promotions to be, and adjust these options to avoid giving away more than you intend. Finally, set the start and end date for your bundle promotion. You can have it start immediately or schedule it for a future date, and you can set an end date if it's a limited time offer. Once you're happy with all of your settings, click Save. Your automatic bundle discount is now active based on the dates you chose. You can test it by adding the required products and quantities to a cart in your online store to make sure the discount appears correctly.